Hey guys, if your browser suddenly opens a blank or black screen after a recent update of your browser, don't worry. It is a common issue with a Chromium-based browser like Chrome, Edge or Brave. In this quick guide, I'll show you a simple and effective way to fix the problem and get your browser working normally again. So right click on your browser shortcut and select Properties. In the target field, simply type this command in the field. Click OK and launch your browser again. Now in the address bar, type this command and hit enter. Search for choose angle graphic backend and set it to default. Once done, close your browser. Go back to the shortcut properties again and remove the no experiment and flag from there. Click OK and relaunch the browser. If that didn't fix it, try this alternative method. This method will also work on Mac. So run this command again and press enter. Now find and click the reset all button. Then look for the restart button at the bottom right and click it. This should bring your browser visuals back to normal after the latest Chromium update of your Chrome, Edge, Brave and so on. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.